How does a Scrum Master enable a team to really lean into the Scrum values? This is the fundamental difference between professional Scrum and mechanical Scrum. Mechanical Scrum goes through the motions. Professional Scrum lives the framework. So it's really important that we help people understand and use these Scrum values with their interactions with everyone. And as the old classic says, use the force. Focus, the ability to focus on the framework, focus on value, focus on the product, focus on delivery, focus on done. Openness, be open to working with others. Be open to listening to the market. Be open to adaptation. Be open to inspection. Be opening to listening without judgment. Be open to humble curiosity. Be open to helping other people. R is for respect. Respect yourself. Respect your colleagues. Respect your stakeholders. Respect the market. Respect the customers. Respect your boundaries. Understand and respect the constraints that you're working within. If you're in a regulated industry, it's even more important you do that because there's legal compliance on you. Just ask the poor developer from Volkswagen who's doing time. C is for courage. The courage to do the right thing. The courage to focus on done. The courage to say not yet. The courage to change. The courage to try something new. And C is for commitment. Commitment to the Scrum values. Commitment to the product vision. Commitment to the Scrum framework. Commitment to each other as a team. Commitment to your organization. Force. Use the force. So what can we do as Scrum Masters to help people do this? Well, the first thing we've got to do is we have to walk the talk, because otherwise we're being a hypocrite. If you want to see people do it, you do it. Now, we have to do it in balance. Now, with the Scrum values, it's a little bit like a graphic equalizer. Too much of one value might affect the other value. Too much courage might impact respect. Too much respect might reduce open, blah, blah, blah. So we need to find the right balance for your team, your context, what's going on at the time. Walk the talk. Demonstrate humble curiosity with how you interact with people. Have the courage to call out when your team aren't using the Scrum framework to apply the principles of empiricism. So helping the team call you out when you're not living the values. That's the second thing. Encourage open feedback between each other, including and especially yourself. We're all human. That's the whole point, right? It's complex. We're humans. We're complex people. Stuff's going on. You mightn't have slept well. There might have been some drama. You've just had your ear chewed by, another product owner, or you've just come out for something and you fire off and somebody goes, hey, that's not right. Check yourself. You go, thank you. And then reset yourself and live the Scrum values. So encourage feedback. The third thing is help your team use the Scrum values to reflect how they're working with each other. You can do this in retrospectives. There's clearly an opportunity. Very simple retrospectives. How have we lived the Scrum values this sprint? What can we do to improve it? Boom. Retrospective done. Using the Scrum values in their daily basis, you might call out to the team, hey, I really liked in the daily Scrum I was observing. I saw you do this. Which of the Scrum values did you use? I saw all 5, whatever. Give feedback and remind the team. Make it explicit. And this is the competence framework. So you move from unconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, conscious competence, unconscious competence. So it just becomes baked in the way you do it. And that's how you elevate your team to be professional. When the team lives these Scrum values, they're going to be awesome to each other. They're going to be awesome to their stakeholders, and they're going to ship. And the wonderful thing is why the Scrum values lead to professional Scrum. It's all about the people. People build product. People build businesses. And as Bill and Ted said, be excellent to each other.